What's up, everyone? So today we're here at the drift event, Lone Star Drift. It's at Gulf Ground Park. It's gonna be the last time it's here. This is gonna be my very first time drifting the CLK here, and second time ever going to an event. So I'm pretty excited, a little nervous, but I think it'll be cool. I just need to get the car teched and we should be good to go. There's two tracks. There is a more beginner's track, which I'm gonna go to, and the kind of pro one. So we're gonna go to beginner one first, of course, and then after that we should be good to go. So hopefully everything goes okay. I brought both cars just in case. So yeah, let's get to it.
How do you like it so far?
It's so much fun. That one's way better.
Yay.
That one's way better. Alright, so in here, Aaron, who's the host of Lone Star Drift, approached me, and at first I thought I was in trouble, but actually he was curious about the cars, so he actually wanted to have an interview set up. A few minutes later, we ended up doing this interview, and you can catch it on his channel at Lone Star Drift, and I'll link it below in the description. Also, a huge shout out to him and his team for, hosting and preparing the event. I had so much fun, as you'll see more on this video.
CLK55, I think, and he's going to tell you all about him.
All my experiences has been, well, I have no experience. All I've done so far is just like R factors that I've worked on stuff.
How's that?
Terrible. My transition was terrible. I want to go again. we talking about?
Your tire.
Oh yeah, the tire. It was starting to wear out on the inside, and so we aired down a little bit the tire pressure, it gave it a little bit more grip, but eventually it just defeated the tire from this side, or from this side. So looks like it hit pretty nasty, like flare. So that's a little disappointing. But I guess we could just, I don't know, just zip tie it back up for now. And maybe purchase another flare from Monster Service. But yeah, I still have another set of tires to go to, repair tires. So I'm just gonna switch these out. At this point, I really wanted to go on the big track, and my friends were pushing me to go on the big track because they were like, you can't just be a forever. So yeah, so I head on to big track after this. What's up everyone? So I guess I never really filmed an outro to the video, so here it is. Pretty much left unscathed, and so it went as well. I mean, apart from the flare blowing up, and I just discovered my lip is about to fall off, but in the grand scheme of things, I think it went pretty well. I learned a lot about what I need to improve myself on my driving ability. I learned a lot about the car, and so yeah, I'm gonna now just prepare it for the next event. I think it's in May, so there's a couple things that I want to do, and obviously those are all going to be coming up in the future video. The next one is going to be related more to dialing out the camber in the rear and, you know, setting up the suspension a little bit better. I did notice also that the rear, you know, the car is still a little soft, but it's not bad though. And now I know which tires to get as well, you know, not air it down too much. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Yesterday I was really happy. It went really well and I had a lot of fun. I wish I had just done a little bit more of the main track more. I guess I was just too nervous to go out there. There were so many people hot lapping, but at the end of the day, I wanted to go, and my friends were pushing me to go, so I was like, screw it. And honestly, I wish I had done that from the beginning, because that track was a lot more fun. It was a lot smoother, and you had a lot more time to prepare for it. So I don't know, it was just a lot more fun. Anyways, now I know, so just to prepare for the next one. So I'm really looking forward to that, and looking forward to you guys joining me on this journey. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time. Peace.